Tanya, and this is makeup for natural body type. So let's get started. Natural makeup are glow, healthy and smoothly blend. For the eyebrow, thick bushy eyebrow are natural statement, and you can style by combing the brow hair upward and style it with brow gel or mascara. For eyeshadow, choose neutral or metallic color. In glam style or soft smoky style with extra volume eyelash. For lips, mood or neutral color. In neither matte or metallic finish. For the face, choose matte finish, then put on brush on the upper your cheek toward ears, and make sure you blend it well. Apply bronzer on your cheek, forehead, tips of your nose and chin. And makeup that you need to avoid are bright, colorful makeup that have defined or sharp line. And since natural makeup are mixed between dramatics and romantics makeup, so both dramatics and romantics body type will also look quite good in natural makeup. Here's Keira Knightley, who is dramatics, and Scarlett Johansson, who is romantics in natural makeup. In reverse, natural body type will also pull off both dramatics and romantics makeup. Here's Gigi Hadid, who is natural in romantic makeup. And this is when she is in dramatics makeup. And if you look into her photo, she never wear either makeup than natural makeup. So if you want some idea for natural body type makeup, you can always check out Gigi Hadid red carpet makeup looks. So this is all makeup for natural body type. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have amazing day. Bye.